One of the most important things I think that a lot of YouTube creators don't do is they actually don't create thumbnails and titles before they make the video. I see a lot of people doing this. They create the video, they have this grand idea where they make the video and they spend all this time making a very good detailed video. And then after they create the thumbnail and the title, which is wrong. And let me explain why. You see, the YouTube homepage is a doorway to the world of videos. If people don't click on your thumbnail, they're not going to watch your video. And as I've explained in a previous chapter, it doesn't matter how good your video is. It doesn't matter if you have the most revolutionary video in the history of the world. If people don't like your thumbnail and click on it, they're not going to watch your video. I mean, maybe you can promote your video on another social media site, but YouTube is the main way that people search for and watch for videos that they like and that they will learn from. So if you're scrolling the YouTube page and let's say you see a thumbnail like this, which is, it's very plain. It doesn't have any color. It doesn't have contrast. I mean, it got 103,000 views 3 hours ago, but in my opinion, if I'm scrolling the YouTube platform and I see a thumbnail like this, I'm not going to click on it. A thumbnail that I would click on is something like this, or possibly a short that has robots in it, maybe a Fallout thumbnail, or always a Mr. Beast thumbnail. Mr. Beast is very good. He knows exactly what he's doing. Obviously, he's one of the most successful creators on the platform. And what he does is that he goes and he creates the thumbnail first. As a matter of fact, he creates hundreds of different thumbnails because he knows the importance of a thumbnail. Same thing with this. Very colorful, very creative, probably done by Midjourney or DALL-E, but still, it's a very bright and very contrasting thumbnail. And these people probably know, Mr. Beast knows for sure. They know that creating a thumbnail that's engaging and that's colorful will actually make people want to click. So the smart idea would be to first have an idea of the video, create your thumbnail, write your title, and then make your video or edit your video. Because not only are thumbnails important, but titles are also important. And I do think that thumbnails are the first thing that people see. And then they see the title. But of course, this is totally up for interpretation. And it's an objective view of how YouTube works. But I think it's a pretty strong objective view. So, like I said, if you have the most revolutionary video in the history of the world, but your thumbnail sucks, people are not going to click on it. So the idea is to build your thumbnail first, create the doorway, create the door before you create what's behind the door. Yes, what's behind the door will absolutely and should absolutely bring massive amounts of value to our audience. Remember, this is the key point of making YouTube videos. Whether they're faceless or whether you're on camera, you always want to bring a substantial amount of value to your viewers. Another perfect example is this one. This stalker looking girl. I don't know if she makes this face on purpose to get people's attention, or maybe that's her natural resting face. But whatever the case may be, this is perfect because as soon as I see this, I stop. She's dead center in the middle of the screen. Then she has the ChatGPT and the Canva tiles on both sides of her. And then she has this amount on the bottom that also draws people's attention. And she probably knew to design the thumbnail before she actually made the video. And her name is Wholesale Ted. I can almost guarantee that she has a lot of subscribers. I mean, her video has 573,000 views and it was posted a month ago. But let's see. Let's see if I'm right.
A professional logo.
1.19 million subscribers. Yes, absolutely. She knows exactly what she's doing. This is another one. Perfect example. 4.3 million views. It was posted 9 days ago. Now, as soon as these people came up with the video idea, and again, this is all speculation and I'm speculating, but I'm pretty sure that this is true. As soon as they came up with the video idea, they probably knew exactly what the thumbnail was going to look like. And this thumbnail is another great example of something that's highly clickable. It's something that it's irresistible. Like when I saw this, I clicked on it in less than 2 seconds. Very, very good video. It's by Innovative Text. So please remember this. And I'm probably going to keep repeating this throughout the course. Before you make your video, before you edit it, you need to design the thumbnail. You need to make the thumbnail and perfect it. And you also need to write the title.